Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to change font size in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reduce or enlarge font size on Windows 10 or in Windows 11, so I will show you how to do this. First of all, you need to right click on your desktop. In this you can see here display settings. Just click on this. Below you can see here scale and layout. In this you can see here scale. It has been selected as 125%. If you want to reduce the font size, just select as 100%. Now you can see the size has been reduced. That's it guys. So in this way you can change font size in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.